guys, today we're gonna make a junk food detector on studio.co.org, and you could go to Sprite Lab and projects to do these fun activities. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and the link is in the description. So first, we need to tell you guys the story. The story is that one boy named John or Jack wanted to go to a party, but his parents said that he could only eat healthy food and no junk food. So now we need to make the junk food turn red whenever John touches it. So now we made a new sprite, John here. Now we need to make him start moving. So you go to behaviors, and then there's one on the bottom called wandering, and then you can go to sprites, action, events, then we could go to sprite, this begins wandering. So now let's change this sprite to this. So now let's make some more sprites like food. So we copy and paste the blocks. So now let's put more. I'll be right back. Let me pause the video and I'll make some more sprites. So I'm back. I made more sprites blocks. And now let's make some food. So we could make this one a carrot, this one a watermelon, this one pizza, this one some crab drinks, and now let's switch this one to a cupcake. And now we have to press more and go to foods. Now we can make any other food. Let's make one hamburgers. And the other one, let's go to more, food. And then let's make it banana. And now let's make one junk food. Ice cream. So now we have all the foods. Now we have to move them. So you press this little mushroom or tree, and then you do this, and then you move this here. So right now I'm gonna arrange it like 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So now let's change the cupcake to be here, the Krabby drink here, hamburger or cheeseburger there. Now bananas, and comment down below what's your favorite food out of here, because they're very tasty. So now we need to go to sprites, and now we go to behaviors. Now we go to variables. So now we could make when sprite touches this. Oh, now we found this block. We need to change all of the colors to red. So there's how many junk food? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we need to control C, V. Oh, and now we made all of them. Now let's make all these blocks junk food. So first ice cream, then the hamburger, then the Krabby drink. We can't forget about pizza, and then the cupcake. Now there may be a block that says when sprite touches this, when so when so now we found the block. It says when this sprite touches that, change color of that to this. So now let's change all these to boy and this to cupcake. And now we could copy and paste it. I did that by accident. Maybe didn't copy and paste properly. Wait, so we copy and paste this block. Alright, that worked. Now we get the Krabby drink, put it here, and now Control V. Okay, so alright, now it worked. Now let's put this here, change it to hamburger, and then this one here, change this one to pizza. And the last one, we change it to a cupcake. And now let's see if it works. So those junk food turn red. Let's see what John or Jake wants. So now most of the codes work. Let's just check if the cupcake and Krabby drink turn red. So I think the code works. So bye, leave a like and subscribe.